refreshing. It's what we need right now.
Yeah, we just filled up our water bottles from that glacier water coming down.
Up there is looking beautiful.
Oh, we're going up there. We are going up there. Check it out. We're climbing up this. It is so cool. I mean, wow. I'm not sure if we're gonna go much further because it turned into a bit of a cave, but we're in the bushes now.
It's kind of like a cave.
Kind of like a cave. This is awesome. We're gonna keep checking this out. So it turns out pride actually does come before the fall. So I was coming down and got really cocky, started going faster and faster, and then I slipped. Just got a little cut on my hand. Not too bad. But now we know pride truly does come before the fall. Okay. That's gorgeous. Yeah, we've come a long ways. You are beautiful, Amy. And what's behind me right now is absolutely gorgeous. Check that out. Wow. This is a rock.
Alex the water climber, can he climb it? Alex the water climber, can he climb it? Alex the water climber, yes he can! Why do you have to climb in the water? Because it's more fun when you do the water climb.
There's other rocks right there.
Yeah, but it makes it more of an adventure and a challenge.
Well, looks like this is the end of the trail for us. We're stuck up in a bush area. There's no more trail. There's no more rock area to climb. We're pretty high up though.
I've got the perfect place in mind. It's in the middle of nowhere. Only one way to get there. You gotta get a little mud.
You don't want to stop for a yogurt break? Yogurt? You can have some of my yogurt. We're getting closer to the bottom. Closer to the bottom. Where's that camera? There we go. We've been out here for about 3 hours, 15 minutes. And we're gonna spend some more time on Proverbs. Wisdom. It's good stuff. Is it gonna be fun? Goes drinking again. Listen. It's another waterfall. It's 2 waterfalls that we found. It's awesome. This is a beaver dam. A beaver dam indeed. And Felix is gone way off. Time to catch up to him. Not sure if you can see it. Way down on the bridge, there's a bride and groom getting their picture taken. That's awesome. This is a beautiful place to get married. And Felix goes walking into the wedding party. Awesome. I'm back in the waterfall. You want to wrap that up, Felix?
This is PAF signing off.
Yeah, we had a great time.